Hey everyone! So, you've said hello, exchanged a few greetings. Now what? Yup, it's time to get to know each other a little better. One of the most common questions is, what do you do?
Ugh, that one feels so serious. If you want to sound more relaxed, try, what are you into these days? Or, what's keeping you busy lately?
Exactly. You can also say, so what do you get up to? Or even, what's your typical day like?
And if you're feeling chill, go for, what's your vibe these days? Or, been up to anything fun? Super casual, super friendly.
Now, when someone asks you about your life, instead of just saying, I work as a teacher, you can have fun with it.
Like, I teach little monsters all day. Or, I battle emails and coffee daily. Adds personality, right?
Talking hobbies? Try, I've been into sketching lately, or binging thrillers like it's my job.
Want to sound modern? Say, I'm in my gym rat era. Or, just vibing with playlists and snacks.
Okay, quick recap. Old school. What do you do? Modern. What are you into these days? Casual answers. Just vibing. Gym rat era. I wrangle spreadsheets.
And that's how you keep it light, modern, and super you. Next time, we'll show you how to ask great follow-ups and really connect.